Cherry tomatoes with the scientific name Solidum lycopersicum var. Cerasiform is a fruit in the nightshade family. This fruit is small, round, red and contains lots of vitamin C, A and lycopene. Packaging cherry tomatoes helps preserve the product better, retaining its flavor and nutritional value. With advanced sorting technology, this machine not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures the quality and uniformity of tomatoes. The machine's rapid sorting speed and high precision ensure that each tomato is handled with the same level of care and precision. Designed with advanced technology, this machine not only ensures accuracy and uniformity in the packaging process, but also optimizes production efficiency. With bag packaging machines, product packaging becomes quick, effective, and ensures quality. Pear is a symbol of sophistication and sweetness in the fruit world. With their velvety appearance and vibrant colors, pears are not only a source of inspiration for every meal, but also a symbol of freshness and appeal. The sweet and cool taste of pears not only delights every mouth, but also captivates every soul. Quality and nutritional value. The image of dates evokes a feeling of freshness and appeal. With their bright color and unique shape, dates are not only a source of nutrition but also a beautiful highlight in your meals. Dates are full of antioxidants and vitamins which help energize and protect your body from the effects of free radicals. At the same time, the sweet and cool flavor of dates makes each bite enjoyable and refreshing. With a round shape and smooth surface, dates are often used in many dishes, from desserts to delicious salads or drinks. Imagine you are admiring a modern salad packaging line. You will be fascinated by the impression and convenience it brings. From the way the salad ingredients are automatically arranged and packaged, to the way each salad package is packaged with precision and sophistication, it all creates a picture of harmony and perfection. Not only the thoroughness in each step but also the optimization of time and capacity. This line is not only a symbol of technological progress but also a testament to the care and concern for product quality. When standing in front of such a modern salad packaging line, you will feel proud and confident in the advancement of food industry and at the same time be sure that you are receiving the highest quality products. The washing machine with stainless steel paddle is an effective solution for cleaning leafy vegetables by soaking. The paddle is designed to gently move the vegetables through the water without damaging them or losing their quality. The paddle soaks the vegetables into the pot in a product-friendly way, ensuring that the vegetables are not damaged during the cleaning process. This process helps remove dirt and heavy parts easily through the purge valve, ensuring that clean water is maintained during washing. Are you having difficulty cleaning vegetables? It's really a challenge for you, but let us help you overcome those difficulties. With smart functions and features, the vegetable washer not only cleans vegetables effectively but also ensures food safety and family health.